I'm thrilled to be back here at the Matchmaker Center with the Vice President of Sunbelt Line Incorporated, Mr. Eric Belk. Eric, thanks for having me back out here.
Well, thank you. It's a pleasure to be back.
Now, last time we talked about the Matchmaker Center. Tell us what's going on.
Well, actually a lot's been going on. Our center's staying busy, which is a good thing. I still want to encourage everybody in Florence that if you're looking for a facility for entertainment purposes, such as weddings, receptions, business classes, please think about the Matchmaker Center, and you can check us out online at matchmakercenter.net.
Okay. Well, now, Eric, I know you have other things going on. Give us a little sneak peek.
Well, we definitely do have a lot going on out here. I mean, obviously we're a transportation firm. Our goal is to try to be a one-stop transportation shop for truckers. Whether that's helping truckers with finding and moving freight, helping them with their insurance, or getting them established in the industry, or managing their accounts receivables, we try to help them. And although we do primarily serve the transportation sector, we do have a lot of services that may be of interest to people in Florence.
Like what?
Well, how about insurance? Truck Insurance, Inc. is our full-service independent insurance agency. As our name indicates, we do primarily sell transportation policies to motor carriers, but we do also offer a whole lot of personal lines of insurance as well, such as auto, home, life, watercraft,
Really?
and more. So let me ask you this, Courtney. When's the last time you had an insurance checkup?
An insurance checkup? Is that something I'm supposed to have?
It's probably a good idea to have it. I mean, most people don't think about insurance until they absolutely need it. How do you know if you're in the right policy or have the right coverage? How do you know if you're paying too much for your policy? As an independent insurance agency, Truck Insurance is not bound to any one provider or any one pricing platform. We shop around to make sure our customers have the right insurance at the right price. In fact, let me introduce you to our insurance manager, Walt Evans.
Thanks, Eric. Today I'm going to tell you the top 3 reasons why you should choose Truck Insurance, Inc. Price, expertise, and personal service. We shop your quote until we find you not only the best price, but the right price for your policy. Second, as independent insurance agents, we make sure we put you in the proper policy. You may get a cheap policy, but if it doesn't provide you with the right coverage, why get it? And third, we are personal. You're going to know us on a first-name basis, and we're going to know you on a first-name basis. That's why at Truck Insurance, Inc., you won't get automated answering systems. We put the customer first, like Tracy here.
What I like most about truck insurance, whenever there's a problem, you have someone to talk to. It's not like talking to a machine. You can go direct to the source and talk to Truck Insurance, Inc., and they would advise me on what to do. We would talk direct, and we would get to the problem of what I need to do to take care of a certain situation. And that's what I love about being a part of the Truck Insurance, Inc.
Let Truck Insurance, Inc. give you a free, no-obligation insurance checkup. Call us at 843-678-3669 or check out our newly remodeled website at truckinsuranceinc.net, where you can go online, make payments, check out a list of providers we represent, or submit an insurance application. We at Truck Insurance, Inc. love insurance. Please let us prove it to you today.